Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add voice effects to your videos in CapCut, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 100,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open one of your projects, or you can start a new one if you click on that plus icon, and now you have to select from your gallery that video that you would like to edit. I'm going to use this one, and now on the bottom of the screen you have to click on the edit option, which is the first option, and now scroll to the right until you see the voice effects. Obviously this is a photo, so you cannot use this option for photos in this video. Now let's see. Okay, there is the voice effects. Click on it, and now you have several options like the basic ones: F, deep, high, low, and so on, funny, thin. So here you can select one of the voice effects and add to your videos. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.